Okay, so this week your math strategy is using 5 times tables to work out 4 times, 6 times and 7 times. I'm going to give you an example of how you can use your 5 times tables to help you work out a 6 times table question. So at the top here I have 6 chocolate chip cookies. So there are 3 chocolate chips in every cookie. So I want to work out how many chocolate chips there are altogether. If I've got 6 groups of 3, 6 cookies with 3 chocolate chips in each, then my equation should look like this. 6 groups of 3. Now I don't know my 6 times tables very well, but I can use my 5 times tables to help me because I know them. So I know that 5 groups of 3, if I had 5 cookies, 5 times 3 is 15. So if I took 5 of the cookies, that's 5 times 3, or 5 groups of 3 is 15. And I've got 1 cookie left. So that's just 1 group of 3. So that's just 3 more. So I can take my 5 groups and I can add on 3 more. So 15 and adding on 3 more at the end is 18. So if 5 groups of 3 is 15, then 6 groups of 3 is 18. 15 plus 3. So that's how I can use my 5 times tables to help me. Okay, so now I'm going to use the same cookie problem to help me solve 7 times. I'm going to add a cookie. So now I need to find out what 7 groups of 3 is. So I've got 7 cookies now, which means I need to know how many chocolate chips there will be in 7. I can still use my 5 times tables, but instead of 1 group of 3 down the end, I've got 2 groups of 3. So I'll change that now. So 2 groups of 3 is I've got 6 more chocolate chip cookies. So that means that when I add on, I know that 5 groups of 3 is 15, and I know that down the end I've got 2 more groups of 3, which is 6. If I add 15 and 6 together, that's 21. So 5 groups of 3 and 2 groups of 3 give me 7 groups of 3, which is 21. So there are 21 chocolate chips. If I'm trying to work out 4 times tables, maybe I only want to know how many would be in 4 of my cookies. So 4 cookies with 3 chocolate chips in them. I can still use my 5 times tables to help me, but at the end I won't be adding something on, I'll be taking away. So if I know that 5 groups of 3, 5 times 3, is 15, then I want 3 less than that because I want to take off 1 group of 3. So I want to take away 3 at the end. So if I've got 15, I want to take 1 group of 3 away from there. So I want 15 minus 3 is 12. So 4 times 3 is 12 chocolate chips. If you want to use your 5 times tables to help you with a 4 times table problem, then at the end you need to take away a group. Your answer needs to be smaller. Well done, you've finished all of your learning for this week and you've worked really hard, so now it's time to show off everything that you've learned. The next 3 tasks are going to be explain everything tasks. Remember to take a screenshot of the questions so that you can put them in your explain everything. When you've finished all of the tasks, it's going to be time to see Miss Lambert. Remember to choose your best explain everything and upload that one to Seesaw so that your parents and your family can see it.